Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update. There's something that is so good about Pepe on the 4-hour time frame, and yesterday we talked about these little bit of an ascending triangle which pretty much popped to the downside. So we had the ascending triangle, but as I told you, always break through the time of a breakout. Just because you have a bullish pattern doesn't mean you're going to go up, okay? A bullish pattern can be invalidated and go down, and that's exactly what happened. So you did have this lower resistance, you broke down, make a bearish closing, come up, call rejected here. You could have actually traded it down, okay? It's a simple pattern which was just a very quick trade, you know, and you could have got a little bit of money. The thing was that you could have take the entry there, put the stop loss right over here, and boom, you went to the downside. So anyone who got it, this is almost like a 7 to 8% win. That's amazing, right? Congratulations. Now at the moment you've actually come down and you pretty much pump back up to the upside, and when you pump back up you have come again to this resistance. So I'm just going to remove this smaller trend line right there, and you do have that resistance which has one touch, second, third one, the fourth one, rejection down, rejection down, rejection down, rejection, maybe come down once again. But there are chances where you're looking to actually break above here and go to the upside. That's my personal take. The reason being is, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and let's rewind to the time I told you that this is your technical target, in my opinion, 8,800, which was pretty much met like a boss. And you do have one support, second support, third support, fourth support right there. You're not losing this trend line, right? And the cool part, the icing on the cake right now, so I'm just going to remove this one, a little bit of drawings right there, this one as well, that one as well. Yeah, so right now you're holding the support, right? You're not losing the support. And I told you before, if you're going to lose and break below the support, you're looking for 5,500, 50% more to the downside, right? But that hasn't happened just yet. But keep an eye if that happens, okay? Always be alert to that one. But I do see something pretty cool, and that's on the RSI. So if you look on the RSI and I bring in the RSI, you do have lower lows and higher lows right there. So this is creating something known as a bullish divergence. And you're also holding support. You've been pretty much very oversold right now for Pepe. If you look at it, this is a very big bloodbath. We can have a very big relief pump potentially, hopefully, if that is something. But so the thing is, even if you don't make a crazy move to the upside, what can be expected is that we go from here to here. And again, I do want to see Pepe potentially moving up and get a retest right over here. Maybe even break it out like this and then go all the way up to even 13,000. And that's where you'll find the next resistance. So if everything holds, okay, now listen to this part carefully. If everything is going to hold, this is going to hold and not pop down like this. As far as you're holding that, and as far as the bullish divergence comes into play, this is the first resistance that we might be looking at, and that's almost a 17% more from the current price, which is pretty good, amazing 17%. And if you do end up breaking above this resistance as well, then you're looking for another move all the way up to 13,000 as well. So these are two targets I'm looking for. Level number 1 to this resistance, and level number 2 is break the resistance and then you go to that resistance. Okay, break this one, go up here, even crazy, okay, all the way to 16,000. So it's all about step by step, okay? It's just going through the stairs. So stair number 1, take this step. Stair number 2, take that step. Step number 3, take another step to the fourth. And even crazy is that if you end up coming all the way and break the all-time high like this, boom, go on and create another new all-time high. But don't be so bullish. Again, go step by step, and that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.